welcome to a new video. I'm vlogging today, hopefully, fingers crossed. And please excuse my lashes, they're a little bit messed up because I haven't gotten them done yet. I still need to get them done, but I think I'm gonna be vlogging today. I decided I'm still wearing like house clothes with a little bit of jewelry, you know, just to spice it up a little bit, even though I look like a mess. But I think I'm gonna get ready for right now. I think I'm gonna get ready right now. I might do a haul after I finish getting ready because I did do a little bit of shopping not too long ago, so I might show you that. It's not like it's like a collectible type of thing. It's like not just one day, since I know a lot of people like hauls and I do sure like watching them, so I think I'm gonna show that to you guys. But for now I think I'm gonna get ready, and I have a pimple right there. It sucks, but we're working around it. So I think I'm just gonna fast forward through me getting ready because I already did a makeup tutorial, so I think I'm just gonna fast forward it. Cue music. Okay, so I just finished getting ready and this is the look I went with. I'm wearing purple eyeshadow and I'm wearing eyeliner because I'm missing a lot of lashes, so I had to mask it. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got now for a haul video. And this is like a mixture of all different stores. It's not like just one store. And I'm just so happy. A lot of the items are so cute, so I really just want to talk about it. And yeah, I'm so excited, and let's just get started. I'm still wearing my house clothes. So from Brandy, I got quite a few things from Brandy, and it's this skirt. It looks long, but it's basically like it's a belt skirt, I guess. Not really. It's just like a wraparound skirt, and it's so cute. It looks like that. I saw a purple one from the store, and I wanted to buy it, but I have a lot of these styles already because I have it in a brown style. Actually the same thing. It's like a wrap skirt and it's cute. I've been wearing that so much lately. And I got this one. It's really cute and I love that. It's just very simple and very basic. I buy a lot of skirts because it's been really hot lately and I don't want to wear pants, so I just kind of wear skirt. And also from Brandy, I got this skirt. It's long, it's black, it has like a little slit right here, and it's really cute. It's very simple, easy to match with anything. Love that. Also from Brandy, I got this like little shirt. Not little, it's kind of big. It's a shirt. I think it's just very simple. It's so out of my style. I'm not used to wearing stuff like this, and that's the reason I bought it. I think it's so cute and just very tomboyish if you don't want to dress up but you still want to look cute. I'm just gonna show you everything I bought from Brandy first since we're already on the Brandy topic. I bought this dress as well. It looks so little, but it's really cute and really flattering on. I can imagine this with like black boots and like a sweater, and it looks really cute. It looks like a pajama, kind of low-key, but I love it. And I also got this dress from Brandy. It's the purple dress. The skirt I was talking about is exactly this pattern, but I decided to go with a dress. So it's like that. It like ties in the back, so it's kind of cute. And it's really cute and it gives you like Clueless vibes, which I love, by the way. I also got this from Brandy. It's like a little button up with like a collar. It's really cute, just simple. And I also got this. I already have this in white. It's ridiculous. It's really cute. It looks really flattering on, so I just bought a black one. I think the last thing I got from Brandy is this top. It's like a halter neck top. I had one of this when I was still in Hawaii, but I lost it due to moving, so I just bought another one. I have other clothes that I want to show you, but I'm too lazy to look for them in my closet, so cancel that. Okay, so from American Eagle, I bought this dress. It's so cute. It's like a baby doll dress. I love this dress a lot. It's like, I don't know, it's so girly and feminine, and it's just very summery and breezy, so it makes me not hot. The last thing I got from American Eagle is this cute little tube top. It's just really cute and really summery and feminine and girly, and I love it. I also got this belt from Brandy. It's just chains. From Topshop, I got a few things. I got this shirt. It says keep it cute, and it's just a tiny pink crop top, you know, just to spice it up a little because I never wear pink. It's kind of giving me like, ow, it's kind of giving me like Friends vibes. So I got this top from Topshop. I don't know what I'm gonna use this with exactly, but it looks cute. Maybe to layer with something, with some black jeans or something. Last two things I got from Topshop are both pants. No, this is from American Eagle. I'm just kidding. This is from American Eagle, not Topshop. So these are from AE. They're just light wash jeans with some rips, but I bought this just to have in my closet just in case. Not really the biggest fan of it, but you know, it's just an essential. Yeah, the last thing I got from Topshop are these jeans. It's just dark and it's like little fringes at the bottom. It's like a boyfriend, no, it's straight jeans. It's straight jeans and it's really cute and I love it. Last two things I got are shoes. So one of the shoes I got are these MK wedges. They're just heels and they have the little sign there, and I just bought these. I don't really wear heels. I just bought them because I thought, why not? Because these don't hurt my feet, surprisingly. That's why I got them, because every time I wear heels, I always end up killing myself because of how painful it is to wear heels. And the last thing I got are sandals from Uggs. They're these pink furry sandals and they're so cute. I love them. They're so cute, but my dad and my boyfriend don't think so. They think they're so ugly, but I think it's cute. You can wear them with just a simple black dress or simple black jeans and white shirt. You can spice up your outfit with that. Yeah, those are all the things I got for the past few weeks, and I think for the rest of the time I'm gonna get ready. I think I'm gonna hang out with my friends. I might vlog that. Hopefully I do. Okay, so now that I've finished the haul and the get ready with me part of my vlog, I need to pick out an outfit. I don't know what to wear. I think I'm just gonna go with a t-shirt and pants, but honestly I don't know if it's gonna be too hot for that. I might wear a dress, I'm not sure, Nah, I think I'm gonna go with pants. Okay, I'm gonna go with pants and the shirt that I bought from Topshop. I'm gonna show you guys after I get ready. I don't know if I want to wear pants or a skirt. 79. It's gonna be 68 later. Is that cold? I don't think that's cold. Should I just wear this? And some boots. I think this is cute. I was gonna wear pants, but I thought it was, once I put it on, I felt so hot, so I was just like, yeah, let's just go with a skirt. So that's my outfit for today, and I think I'm just gonna wear some Doc Martens with it. I'm editing the footage. Oh, hey girl. Hello. So how do you feel? Scared. Sorry. So scared. Yep.
Oh, I got my Kieran shirt too.
Move! I got move! Stop it!
I like the zoom in this. So slow. Ow! Sorry, babe. He zoomed into your smile.
Or is like the person who tells me just go box it.
Oh, and I don't tell you that? Foul.
You do.
Foul.
You do.
That's really satisfying, right?
Okay, I don't have
Wait, can I
I got that close up on the lips.
Oh, this is Megan. Hey, girl.
What's that? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so short. How do I look?
You look like the girl on the picture.
You look so cute.
Go look at the mirror. Which girl?
That's why it's not here.
Bro, I don't
It's at LSD.
You don't have a haircut?
Oh my god, I want to see your reaction. We're doing this.
Oh my god! Oh my god, mom's gonna be like, what the fuck?
And that outfit, girl?
I kinda dig it though. Do you?
Yes.
I don't have hair anymore. I don't have hair anymore.
No. You look
Burn!
Focus, bitch.
My pee hurt. Hey, mom.
You should watch on Josh
My
Focus.
pee hurt.
It's not focusing.
No.
That's all dead hair. So, how do you feel about your girlfriend's haircut?
Dude, it's
You
so
have it?
good.
It's pretty good.
So good. Thank you. You're welcome.
I can't stop thinking about it. Can't look
She's
at it.
blonde. Hi. For her.
The real question is what
She had black hair. She was good.
Eka.
So that it airs
Smelling
out.
my
And so
butt.
it dries properly.
Okay.
I can't do that.
Hey.
Like that. It looks stupid, but it works.
I hate that.
Are you trying to pick up your hair? Girl,
Yeah.
just leave it. I got it.
I know.
It feels so much softer now that it's not in my hand.
It's like you're holding a drill.
Not glue it back
Holy
on.
crap.
Oh no.
You want it?
No? Why do I want your hair?
Sell it to gay orphans.
Great.
I would do that.
That was the life.
I would do that with Arizona.
You okay?
Not
Yeah,
not
I'm
healthier,
actually really
but
happy.
healthier.
Yeah?
I'll do that.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank
Have you tried the bane?
Yes.
You're so good. That was so fast too.
And it's free. They'll pay $40 for it.
Georgia.
Hey, B.
Dude,
Hey,
you
don't
hear about the
tell
whole
people
thing
that.
about
You know how like every Filipino is kind of
You get that
funny
one spot in the back
when
of your
they do
neck
that kind of
and
shit?
then
Look at her outfit.
Oh, is it the one right behind you?
Yeah.
Like a wet spoon.
Huh?
No, it's his turn.
It's not like that, but I mean like when water.
Your hair. Do you want the corners like?
Love my mini-me.
You look like Mulan.
Mulan.
How does it feel having long hair?
Actually, what haircut? You should bet.
Itchy.
Oh shit. Yeah.
When Chandler was
That one
like,
time I
where
got
are all the
angel, yeah.
men?
Oh, okay.
Hey,
Damn, bro, I haven't cut hair in cool.
I see you.
Bitch,
you
I
miss
feel
it, don't you?
fabulous.
I see you.
Yeah, where are all the men?
I'll never work again in a million years. Don't need to do grind.
Too bad.
That's a lot of fucking...
Techner from Twilight.
You look like the main character dude from Mulan.
You look like
Shane?
Shane.
Or Shane.
Earlier he looked like Mulan, now he looks like Shane.
Now he's Shane.
God.
It's itchy, bro. Like, why you
This is
hiding?
what I look like with black hair.
Brush on my head.
Why?
Clean other people's shit with that.
Technically, you're supposed to have a fucking brush to
Don't
brush
give me
it.
dandruff, bro.
Shit off.
You look pretty.
Honey,
You look really pretty.
Alright.
Are you still doing this side?
Taking this off, yes.
It is. You're.
Oh, dude.
Wait.
Oh, what's up, dude?
Oh, Joe Dirt.
You know April Boy? Yeah. You look like April.
Good morning. It's a new day and my new hair is here. I'm obsessed with it and I'm really happy I did it. As you've seen previously, we were cutting it off. And for today, it's my dog's birthday and I'm gonna go get them some cake from PetSmart and I'm probably gonna stop by Starbucks to get them some puppuccino. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna vlog while I'm out because I'm just gonna be driving a lot, so I'd rather just continue to vlog when I get home. I don't want to vlog and drive, it's not really safe. So yeah, I'm gonna go run my errands and do all the things I have to do. I also think I need to buy some food for my bunny because he doesn't have food right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and I'll update you guys when I get home. So I just got home from everything that I did and I got some few stuff for my dogs. I got some puppuccino. It's basically just heavy cream and it's safe for dogs. And I also got this pup pie cake. It's basically a cake for dogs. It's a treat. It's not really soft, it's hard. It's like a cookie. And then I got them some ice cream as well. And I hope they all like it. And yeah, so that's all I got for my dogs. And hopefully they like it. They've never actually had that before. And I'm hoping that they'll like it. So yeah. Yay! They love it! This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. This is a